Magic Mike.
Yes.
Marem, yeah.
Yeah, I'm with Magic Mike here. Magic Mike, this is the Talk Football.
Yes.
I see you support Sundowns. What can you say, my brother?
Tactically, we played very well.
Yes.
Unfortunately, our coach failed us during the period of the middle field. He should have taken off Matthews and Salis
Yes.
because they were too
Yeah,
tired.
yes. They didn't play well.
Unfortunately, they played well. Standard played well today.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we are unlucky for today.
Chashik was tired.
Yeah, the Matthews and Salis they were tired, but
Yes.
coach should have noticed that. But
He didn't,
yeah,
yeah.
it's part of the game. It's part
Yes.
of football. But yeah, good luck for the boys and soldier on.
I saw Jaden Adams,
Yeah.
your player who has been the most outstanding.
Yes.
Came in very late as well.
Yeah, the coach should have taken off Matthews or Salis during the halftime and
Yes.
made Adams.
Yes.
Maybe we should have managed that.
They are slow, they came down
Slow they came
nicely.
down, but-
Yes.
Yes, but unfortunately we got a draw. But Polokwane City were coming.
Yes, Richards Bay.
Richard Bay were coming, and even Polokwane City, they must know that we are coming.
Yes.
6 points, we need that 6 points.
Yeah.
And Pirate they must forget about the league.
You still take the league, irrespective of this result.
We will take it the league.
Yes.
Ball 9 times in consecutive 9 times.
Yes.
Pirate. Sorry guys.
Yeah.
Born. Even I'm saying Oliver said this conversation after league.
Yes.
Uchenga Magic Mike.
Yeah.
We are the champion. Even the CAF Champions League is coming. To
I will
the
post this video and I will watch it every day
Yes.
until the league ends.
and then the CAF Champions League is coming to Pretoria as well.
Hey, I wish you good luck there. You are representing the whole of South Africa and you are also making the football of South Africa to be respected outside.
Yes.
It's the second time in a row in the final. That's great. Congratulations, Sundowns.
Thank you, member.
No, thank you.